Hi, nieces and nephews. Good morning. It's very early in the morning. It's actually 4:30 a.m. Yes, Auntie is up. And I'm glad to see, I know you're not up with me. Well, some of you may be up with me because it's where you are, it's probably daytime, okay? But first, let's get some housekeeping out the way. Thank you all for all your love and support to my channel. If you mind, hit that like button. And you know, you guys are really, those comments and those motivational quotes and all those uplifting kind words really make my day. Okay, today we are going to be making some baklava because I'm going to surprise my son and my daughter-in-law with a Greek dinner. Well, it's not a surprise anymore because I just told it, huh? Whatever. They're going to get it anyway, right? So give me a moment. I'm going to do a flip and a flip, swip, whatever it's called. You know what I'm trying to say. And we're going to get started, okay? Okay, let me show you everything you need for this baklava. It's a Greek dessert. We all love Greek food. Okay. Okay, so first you're gonna need 2 cups of ground walnuts, 2 cups of ground almonds, and these were chopped walnuts or whole almonds. And I put them in my food processor. So what you're going to do is dump them all into one bowl. Throw that over there, a little housekeeping. I had to be very careful with nuts in my kitchen because of Caitlin. So everything must be bleached down. Okay, I have that out the way. Okay, she can't eat this anyway, but you know. So I'm going to combine my nuts all together. See, get those nuts all combined together. Get all those nuts. Make sure your nuts are very well blended. Well, you can't help but be blended because they all grounded. You know what I'm talking about. Okay, I'm going to get some gloves because I'm going to be working with a lot of gloves doing this recipe. This is my daughter-in-law's favorite. She loves baklava. Well, she's at work. Well, she's getting ready to go to... Well, no, she's not up yet. Well, she's an RN, so, you know. So we're going to make that. I'm going to put that to the side over here. You're going to need 2 nice heaping teaspoons of ground cinnamon and 1/2 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. You're going to need... Yes, 3 cups of white sugar. 1 box of phyllo dough. Wherever you are, you can call it whatever. Oh, hot. I had my honey over here because I was heating it. You're going to need 1.5 cups of honey. Any honey would do. If you want to get straight, you want to go all the way authentic, you can find you some Greek honey. I wasn't going that deep. I got my regular honey. So I'm going to leave that right there because I want my honey all nice and so I'm going to get my I forgot what I wanted to say. Okay, so and you're going to need 4 sticks of butter melted. 4 whole sticks of butter melted. And I had mine in a nuker, aka microwave. Okay, and what you do with your phyllo dough, you're going to do it like this. Can you see? Yeah, you can see this. I have it all. Keep a nice clean dish towel on top of it so your phyllo dough won't get dry. Now, sometimes like this box, the second batch of my phyllo dough was torn right here. That is okay. It's edible. That's what's most important thing, right? So I'm going to get my pan, and you're going to need a 9x13, a deep dish pan, and 2 cups of water. Okay, because that's going to make our sauce. So what we are going to do first, I need to get a handy dandy glove on. Oh, and not right now. I guess I can go ahead and take your butter, and you're going to butter your pan. You don't have to be stingy. Because, you know, butter is what's make butter and that honey makes it good. And you're going to butter this pan all the way around. Don't use cooking spray. Don't use cooking spray, okay? Please don't use cooking spray. Because it's not baklava you're using Pam now. Okay, we're going to leave this like that. So I'm going to take my butter and put it over here to the side. Now let's get started on our phyllo dough. Our phyllo. Okay, as you can see, this one is destroyed. It's like paper, huh? Okay, so you're going to take four sheets and count them out first. No, I can't see now. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to take 5. And I'm going to roll mine up and put them to the side right here. To the side over there. And then what you're going to do, you're going to take 4. I take 5. I like to take 5. 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. And what I do, you're going to put them down on your pan. In your pan like that. Now, some people, they just butter each phyllo sheet as they go on. But there's a little trick that I learned from this Greek lady that said you don't have to do that. I could just pour all my butter in. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get my glove on, and you're going to sprinkle you're going to put some nut mixture down with each one. So you're going to take your nuts. Now, you don't want to overpower your nuts. You're just going to give it a little light sprinkly here. Doo-doo-doo. A little light sprinkly. Get some goodness all over it. And then you're going to take 2 more. You're going to take 2 phyllo sheets. And you're going to keep doing this until all of your phyllo is used up. And you got to work fast so your dough doesn't dry out. You got to work fast. And, I don't care nothing about not being neat down like that. You put some more nuts on it. And like I said, phyllo dough dries really fast. So you got to work fast. You can't be slow pokey. So and then you just keep doing this until every 2 sheets. You're going to keep doing this until all your phyllo dough is gone, okay? I'll be right back. I'm still going. I'm on my second pack because the phyllo dough, they come to a pack. Now, when you're doing your nut mixture, you don't have to put a whole bunch of nuts in between there. You don't have to just go overhanded, just a little bit. And I'm going to keep doing this until I get my last 2 sheets. But I think I'm going to put them little regular ones in the middle. And I'll be right back. See, this is what I mean when you say you got to work fast because your phyllo dough, it turns to paper. Look at that. And you don't want that. That's not baklava. Okay, now I'm going down to my last, the one that I took like 5 sheets. I probably got 6. No big deal. It's all goodness. And you're going to take your last sheets. This is like, I think it's 5 or 6. I don't know. I'm not sure. Okay. And you see this? Now, I'm going to press all this down. And I'm going to get my knife. And I'm going to cut. Okay, I'm going to cut it. Now, I don't get into all the cute little designs. I just go with some squares and call it a day. So I'm going to cut down very deeply. Oh, hot. Cut down. Make sure it's going all the way. Don't judge me. I never said I was a precision cutter. I'm not a seamstress. Okay. And I'm going to take this. Do the same thing. It's these nuts that's in here. Did you hear all that crunch and coarseness? And I'll tell you why you're cutting it. I just want to make sure I don't have a hole in my pan. Nope. No hole. Okay, then I'm going to do this. I'm going to cut it And cute. You know, you can go this way and that way, but I'm not doing all that. I'm not doing all that. I'm just going to cut it. Cute, just some cute squares. Just going to make some individual squares. That's all I'm doing with this. If they come apart, that's okay. Okay. Just making sure I run my knife again twice because I want to make sure that it's cut. And this will be the last square block. Now, you remember all that good butter I had? I'm going to mix it. I'm going to mix all that good butter I had. See? This melted butter. And I'm going to take this and put that over there for a little housekeeping. And I'm going to take my butter and I'm going to pour it all over this. Going to put it all over my Fido dough. Because you don't want any of it to be dry. And if one of them come up like that, that's fine. Because the key to it, you don't want it dry. And I'm going to bake this for 350 for 1 hour. Get my phyllos down in that butter soaked. I'm going to bake this for 1 entire hour at 350, okay? And you see all that good butter in there? And I got a, oh, what the heck? Okay, so I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, now we are going to make our filling, okay? We're going to get our filling together now. Okay, so we're going to take our sugar. We have our sugar, our honey, and our water, okay? So I'm going to take my, we need to turn the stove on first, huh? I'm going to take my water and pour it in my bowl, the pot. And I'm going to take my sugar and I'm going to dissolve all of that. Throw that over there for a little while. And I'm going to combine all this because I need to dissolve my sugar, okay? I'm going to dissolve my sugar and I'll be right back. Okay, I have my sugar dissolved. Now to make sure your honey, this is a cup and a half of honey, make sure your honey comes out really good. You can take a little bit of oil and put it in your cup so your honey will come out nice and smooth. Okay? And this is going to be our syrup. This is our baklava syrup. And I'm going to just stir that up. Stir. Whatever. Okay, okie dokie. And I'm going to leave that alone while I do a little housekeeping. Okay, the syrup is done. So I'm going to put it over here and it's got to completely cool. Okay? Okay, here is our baklava. Look how beautiful that is. Okay, wash my hands again, okay. Okay, what I'm going to do, you're going to take your syrup, and your syrup, make sure your syrup is nice and cooled off. And as soon as it comes out of the oven, let me see if I can get you all to hear that sizzle. You're going to stir it, make sure, because you're going to take that syrup. And you hear that? Listen. Listen to that sizzle. Mmm. And you're going to take, you're going to take all this and you're going to pour it in. I'm ladling, whatever you call it, ladling, whatever you call it. Some things I don't try to pronounce anymore. Ladle, whatever. And you're going to pour this over here. Yes, and again, you're going to use all of this because it's going to take about 5 hours for all that syrup to seep, to draw up, seep in, absorb. Yeah, it's gonna take all of this, and like I said, it's gonna take 4 to 5 hours for this to completely absorb all this goodness. And I know you're probably saying, it's drowning. No, it's not. It just looked like that. And I'm going to leave this alone for 4 or 5 hours while it completely... I'm so busy, guys. I am so busy right now. So busy. I'm going to put this on here. And leave this alone, leave it alone, and it's going to completely absorb all that goodness. And then I'll be back. But I'm going to have to show you what it looks like in the thumbnail because it's going to be, like I said, 4 or 5 hours until this dish is actually complete. Thank you guys for watching my video on my baklava. I appreciate it. My words so jumbled this morning, I guess. Because it's a little after 6 now. Just want to say thank you for hanging out and watching my video. I hope you made this. If you're a lover, if you got a sweet tooth, you'll love this. If you like honey, nuts, you have a sweet tooth and you like Greek food, you'll love this. And this is really simple to make. I know kids will probably love it because they like sugar, okay? So anyway, thank you guys. Until the next upload, be you, but be great being you. And I will see you later. Hearts, hugs, and kisses to each of you. Love you guys. Talk to you later. Bye. But you'll see a picture of this in the thumbnail of what it looks like on the inside. I know you all probably like, where's my turban? No, you have my hair pulled up in a afro bowl. Okay?